Hey everybody, it's Dean DaCosta of the Search Authority, and today we are looking at, you ready? Well, I'm going to call it Swordfish Plus, basically, or Swordfish S Plus, depends on your point of view. Anyway, basically, it's sourcing for swordfish. So, a couple things here. We're just going to go right to it. This is the dashboard. It allows you to automatically go to any of these places. You can source there and bring them in, or you can just source here. So let's look at it all. Let's start. We're already in the dashboard. Let's go to data tools. This is to connect your CRM so it can update your contact information, all that. Here is team management. You can add teams. Here's your credits, all that good stuff. Yay. All right. Chrome extension. We all know there's a Chrome extension. You can just go into Chrome and download it. Not a problem. All right. Next, Prospector. This would be the place where you search. Kind of simple. Now here's a little see an example and all that good stuff. Me personally, I don't need to, but we'll look and let it show. So we're looking for CEOs now, and it's thinking, and we're going to see what it comes up with. And it came up with 1,139,150. That's a lot of CEOs. Me personally, I'm good. So we're going to clear filter and do some searching Dean's way. So let's start with a role. We got roles. Current job title. I like current job titles. Let's see. What job title right now is hot? Job developers are always hot, but I seem to always manage to mess with them. So let's try this. Let's go with crypto. Just plain old crypto. Let's see if that gets us anything. Crypto, and we got the dot waiting, and it found 1,000, excuse me, not 100, and 22,209 people who have a current job title that has the word crypto in it. Okay, that's actually not bad. Crypto is not exactly the most up-to-date thing. So let's try something else. Let's go ahead and use something a little more common. Let's go ahead and pick Java. I pick on Java a lot. I don't know why. Java developer. Let's see what we get here. I bet you we get at least 100,000. Okay, I'd be wrong. 23,512. That's still quite a few though. But hey, I can work. Now I can also look for past titles. And all this, it gives me senior, so it's being a little thinking on its own. We got function, seniority level, years in the current company, profile, description, tagline. So depending on where the profile is coming from, like LinkedIn's got taglines or descriptions. Certain other social sites do too, so that's where that would come from. Company headcount, you can actually say, I want people from a company that has a lot of people. Okay, well, there you go. This would actually allow you to target companies better. Current company, past company, company country, so you can make sure we're in the right country. Company state, company. So that's if you're going to do it based on the company info as well. So, hey, your company does really well when it hires people from Microsoft. Let's target Microsoft. There you go. And down here is personal. You got industry, country, state. Let's get the country down here because we're the good old U.S. of A. So we want to make sure we are good there. United States. Let's see. Good to go. 10,140. Nice, nice, nice. And then you have state, city, years of experience, skills, full name, school, as well as LinkedIn URLs. And for the LinkedIn URL, you can actually put in a LinkedIn URL and see if they have it, or you can suppress LinkedIn URLs, which means you won't be seeing LinkedIn people. So this is all good. You can clear filters down here as well as above, like this. They will be coming with Boolean search capability, which is cool for someone like me who loves to just put his own stuff together. And they will be coming with the ability for radius, meaning you pick a city and they've got to be within X miles from that city. So really good. Now you can bulk show. This is 233 pages. You can bulk show. You can show the info about somebody, which would include emails, phone numbers, what it find, and of course you can add them to a list and do all the cool stuff that you can do. So really cool. I mean, this is not a bad thing. Now this is the file enrichment. You have a file of people, you stick them up there and it'll find you all the info you need, which is really cool. Down here is the reverse search. This just basically is going to allow you to search under a multitude of things. You can pick on a social, a name and a company, a name and a location, full US phone, email. Let's go ahead and do an email, and you will put my email just because, well, I want to. And let's search and see what we get. It should find me. I'd be surprised if it didn't. But then again, I do have, it found me. It found my wife. Wow, there you go. That surprises me. I didn't know she's definitely not on LinkedIn. So love to know where they found her. And there's me, and that's me. So it did a great job. And again, you can invite teammates. Here's your list. So if you've uploaded any lists, here you go. Let's see the bar. I don't have any uploaded yet. And there you go. So, and you can even get some free credit. You know, you got credits here. Get 5 free credits for each colleague that signs up. So if people sign up, you get some free credits. There you go. I think for the initial, this is the get it out there. Let's get going. Let's get it tested. Let's make it better as we go. Just like they did with Swordfish itself. The contact find tool came out. It was really good. And thanks to all of us playing with it and coming up with ideas, it got really, really, really good. Just like they did with Heartbeat. For those of you who don't know, Heartbeat is a medical only sourcing tool created by the creators of Swordfish. Again, came out, was really, really, really good. And they've made it better since, thanks to us. This will do the same thing. So this is really, really, really cool. So now you have a contact finding tool that can also source for you. And remember, you can bring the people into it. So you can go to any of these people, find any of these sites, find somebody and bring them in. And now it's sitting in front of you. That means this tool could also act like a, I don't want to say a CRM or an ATS, but it kind of could. I mean, you could put people in and you could kind of have your own little list, as they call it, where you can keep people and you can have multiple lists, developer lists. You can do so much with it. Great tool. Highly recommend you check it out. My name is Dean DaCosta of the Search Authority. May the source be with you.